Thank you so much today for watching. My child is trying to get into my food storage. She's trying to eat my apples and my peaches. I'm not having it. Okay, but thank you so much for joining us today at Homestead Heart. Today I'm going to go over with you some of the things that I have canned in the past, pressure canned in the past, that I really enjoyed canning, and I'm excited to continue canning them over and over again. Of course, you know, I've canned a lot of stuff, but these are some of my favorite things right here. So I'm going to go over this with you and show you what I like. And if there's something that you don't see or that you would like to see it pressure can, just leave it in the comment section. Leave it in the comment section and I'll be happy to try it for you if at all possible. Okay? All right. And then also, if you've done videos on things that you've canned before, pressure can that you really like canning, post that in the comment section as well. I would like to know what you've done and see what you've done as well, and then I would like to try it to see how it turns out for me, see if I like it. So let's get started. Number one is my all famous beans, my navy beans. Okay, I really enjoy canning navy beans. I can these and I put a few onion at the top of these right here just for flavor, but I really like canning navy beans because it's just so much I can do with them once I open this jar up. I mean, you can make a delicious bean burrito, refried beans, just so much you can do with the navy beans. I really enjoy them. I like them in my nachos. I like to make soups with them. I like to do a lot with navy beans. So this is one of the things that I really enjoy canning is navy beans. Now another something along this same line is black beans. Oh, I know what I don't have. My red beans. I love small red beans too. And but anyway, so this is the black beans, and I have a lot of water in here because I was thinking about for these that I keep the water in, like the difference between these two. These have more beans than anything, versus this one does not have a full 2 cups of beans, soaked beans inside. It only has like a cup and a half. And that's because I like the liquid from here, that I could just take these out, heat this up, take it out, heat it up, and just serve it over rice. And these are black beans. I don't know if you could see that, but these are, oh, these are taco flavored. I've already seasoned these. Taco flavored black beans. But these are so good, you could just take this and this juice and all of that and heat this up and serve this over some rice. Okay? So these are my black beans. And I also have red beans done this way too, because I love red beans and rice. Okay, so that's that. Let's sit this one over here. All right, now right here, of course, I did this video not long ago, but this is my yellow squash. Look at that yellow squash. Isn't that pretty? I just love it. And the only thing that's in this jar with this yellow squash is a little bit of salt. Not even a lot of salt, just a tad bit. And this squash, I could take this squash, open it up, saute it. I even have a few onions in here, but you could saute it, add more onions to it, or you can add and mix it in with another dish if you like. But yellow squash is so good, and you can do zucchini this way as well. So this is another one of my absolute favorite things to can. All right. Next is, I got some Mediterranean seasoned gold potatoes. You can see all of the seasoning just sitting down in the bottom. There's a lot of spice that I have, just some Mediterranean spices that I put in here for these. But these are the Yukon gold potatoes in some Mediterranean seasoning and just a tad bit of salt. So this is one of my favorite things to can. These are so good, by the way. You pop these babies open. These are so delicious. I enjoy canning these. Not only is it easy to can, but they taste so very good. If you could flavor them up any kind of way you like. They have all of these different spices that you can blend together for the flavors that you want, and they turn out absolutely fantastic. So the Yukon gold potatoes, that's another one of my favorites that I absolutely love canning, and I'm excited to can it again. All right, back here. Oh, these two are the same. I thought one was chicken breast, but they're both chicken legs. Okay. Well, chicken breast is one, but this one is chicken legs. And I love canning chicken, especially the legs and the breast. It's good, and the thighs is really good. But these are the legs. They're easy to can, and as you notice, I put these in the 1.5 size jars because I just think they are perfect for 1.5. If I think they're just, the legs can be a little bit too tall, too long for a pint size jar, and really a quart size is just too much space, you know. So the 1.5 size I found for me. I really enjoyed. I get 4 legs in here. I got 2 down, and then 2 up. Yeah, 2 down and 2 facing upwards. And these come out really, really good. You can open these in these pressure can for about 90 minutes, but you can open them up, make yourself some chicken and dumpling or chicken soup or whatever. But this is what I really like these the most, the chicken legs. All right, and again, these are chicken legs too. I just love the way they can up. Okay, and when you can chicken legs, if you're gonna raw pack it, then you don't add any water. All of this liquid that you see in here is the broth that came from the chicken. So I didn't add any water to this. All right, another thing is the ground turkey. This was delicious. I didn't raw pack this. Some people do, but I didn't raw pack it. I actually cooked it a little bit on the stove, and then I put it in my jars and canned it. Turned out beautiful. And of course, you know, with ground turkey, you can do so much with it. Just think about all the things you like to use ground turkey for. This is what you can use it for. So I love canning that. I'm looking forward to doing this one again. And I'm even going to do some turkey sausage. I'm going to make some turkey sausage. And then I'm going to can it up because I love sausage, turkey sausage. So I'm going to do that one as well. Now, another thing is okra and tomatoes. I love okra and tomatoes. Love okra and tomatoes. You can't be from Louisiana and don't love okra and tomatoes, right? You just can't. Can you? Can you really? I don't know. I don't think so. But okra and tomatoes, ooh, and these are nice and get a little bit of spice to them too. So I love okra and tomatoes. These, ooh, they so good, y'all. I have to restrain myself. Okay. Ooh, let me show you one more time. Yeah, I love okra. Look at that okra. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now, the next thing is butter. Yes, I can butter. This is beautiful. When did I do this one? That was done June of 2015. Look at that. Almost 3 years. Just look at that. That butter, look at it. Absolutely beautiful. Look at it. Now, I know some people like to just melt the butter, put it in hot jars, shake it up, and let it solidify that way once they melt the butter and add it to the jar. I don't like to do that. Some people water bath can it. I don't like to water bath mine either. I actually pressure can my butter. I sure do. Once I melt it on the stove and get it in my hot jars, I pressure can my butter 30 minutes. Yes, I do. In this pint-sized jar, and feel that it's safe. And I've tried this butter before. I've opened it up, one of my jars, and yes, I must say it was still some delicious butter. So I have this that I pressure canned 30 minutes after I melted it in the pot and got it in the jars. So this is something that I look forward to canning again. Love the butter. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. As the day it was when I put it in that jar. All right. And last but not least is my peppercorn turkey breast. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Cut up some turkey breast. Look at that, y'all. Got the peppercorn seasoning all over the top of this turkey breast. Isn't that beautiful? Just roasted turkey breast with the peppercorns on it. And I got it all in the jars. All in the jar. Now, you know how you buy the turkey breast, the butterball turkey? It's already been cooked, so to speak. You know, you might have butterball. You might have another variety. Whatever variety that you you find. Okay, so they have like regular roasted turkey breast, peppercorn. They have all different honey smoked turkey breast. When you find the turkey breast like that in a packet, this is what this is. I just bought it. I mean, I didn't buy it. This was given to me. Yeah, this was given to me. That turkey breast was given to me. And so what I did was I went ahead and cut it up into some nice, big, beautiful pieces. I cut this down. I don't know how many jars I was able to get out of that roasted turkey, but I cut this up, put it in some jars. I didn't add any additional seasonings to it. I just filled it up with some water, and I processed this for 90 minutes in my pressure canner. Turned out absolutely beautiful, and it looks so flavorful. I just love the way it looks. So these are some of the things, just a few of the things that I have pressure canned that I absolutely love pressure canning. So again, I have my chicken. I have my chicken legs. I have my Mediterranean seasoned gold potatoes. I have my ground turkey. I have my peppercorn turkey roasted. I have my navy beans, white beans. I have black beans, and I've also done red beans. I'm not going to go in and get them and show you, but I've done the red beans, because I love red beans and rice. Who don't like red beans and rice? Okay. I've done yellow squash. Also, I'm going to do some zucchini and show you. That'll be one of the videos that I do upcoming. You know, we're getting ready to go into squash season. Zucchini is going to be bouncing all off the roofs of people's houses. So, so I'll be doing zucchini, butter. Last but not least, look at that. My famous favorite, okra and tomatoes. And yes, if you look at the color, I don't know if you noticed, but this got some cayenne pepper in it. Oh, yes, it do. But this is so, so good. Make some farina bread to go with this okra and tomatoes. Oh, my goodness. You got a meal on your hands. If you haven't seen my farina bread recipe that would go so well with this okra and tomatoes, you can click that card above, and I will, and you'll be able to see that video on how I make that delicious farina bread. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching Homestead Heart. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video on things that I've pressure canned, that I'm excited about pressure canning again in the future. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you all next time.